बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ताशकंद उर्दू के साथ मैं हूं शबीर अहमद। नजरान एक्सपो सेंटर लाहौर के अंदर मौजूद है, जहां पर मेड इन उज़्बेकिस्तान के नाम से एक नुमाइश का सिलसिला जारी है, जहां पर उज़्बेक कंपनियां अपनी अपनी मसनूआत लेकर यहां पर उन्होंने नुमाइश के लिए सजाए हुए हैं। उन मसनूआत को पाकिस्तानी विज़िटर्स जो है उसका विज़िट भी कर रहे हैं, उसको देख भी रहे हैं। इस इवेंट को किस तरह से प्लान किया गया और इसका पर्पस क्या है और इसके आउटकम्स उज़्बेकिस्तान क्या समझता है कि इसके निकल सकते हैं। उज़्बेक सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान के लिए हमारे साथ अली साहब मौजूद हैं। बहुत शुक्रिया सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर योर टाइम। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी दैट हाउ डिड यू प्लान दिस इनिशिएटिव एंड व्हाट वाज द पर्पस?
First of all, I would like to welcome to our industrial exhibition made in Uzbekistan. Thank you very much for your visit. Uzbekistan and Pakistan are sharing a long history. We have common culture, common traditions, common religion. Right now, we are strategic partners. Our trade turnover in 2024 was more than $404 million. But we have, Uzbekistan and Pakistan, great opportunity to enhance our cooperation in different spheres such as textile, pharmaceutical, agriculture, leather products, and so on. And this exhibition, our exhibition, is one of the steps how we can increase our trade turnover. It will help for our business community, for our entrepreneurs to have negotiations. It will help for our business community to understand what is Uzbekistan's economy, what is Pakistan's economy, in which area we can work together, collaborate, cooperate. And I think all of you enjoy here in Lahore Expo Center, and more than 150 Uzbek entrepreneurs are here right now.
150.
More than 150, right? Yes. And we can arrange your B2B, G2B meetings here right now, and it will be very great for both sides.
Sir, when you were planning this initiative, this exhibition, how did you find the role of Pakistan?
Because Pakistan plays a key role in South Asia. Pakistan is our strategic partners. Pakistan has around 250 million people. It's very huge, very big market. And Uzbekistan is situated in the Central Asia. Population of Central Asia is more than 8 million people. It's very huge market for our Pakistani brothers, sisters. And I would like to mention that in September 2024, we have simplified our visa regime for our Pakistani brothers, sisters. Right now, there is not any issues with Uzbek visas. And in November 2024, we have opened our first direct flight between Tashkent and Lahore. And inshallah, we will open another routes and other destinations. And on April, we are planning to open our second direct flight, Tashkent-Lahore. And because, as you know, Uzbekistan is very interesting, like a touristic destination. We have very famous city like Samarkand, Bukhara, Khiva, Kakan, Shahrisabz, Tashkent, and other our cities. I think they will be very interesting, very wonderful for our Pakistani friends, Pakistani culture.
Last question. There's no doubt that trade play a huge role in the strengthening of relations between two neighboring countries, between two brother countries. So what is your message for the traders? What is your message for the businessmen of all over the Pakistan?
My message is I would like to invite you to my country, to Uzbekistan, to discover it, to explore it, because we have, our ancestors were brothers. Right now we are brothers. Inshallah, we will be brothers all the time.